So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished replacing a cartridge on the diverter side up top on this mow and troll valve. And the model number there is the 116719. So you can see that. You'll get a copy of this video in your receipt. So that's the one that goes on the top. This one right here, 1225, 1224. I'll have to look it up and see. I think it's the 1225B. And so that one will go down here. And then there's also the balancing spool. And I don't have that number with me, but what I'll do is probably get a document going just so you know all the different working parts. Inside here, there's integrated shutoff valves. So you got cold, hot, this big flat screwdriver, shut the valve off to work on it. And then on the left is another very large slotted brass adapter. You unscrew that, and that's where the balancing spool is. So you can work on everything. So this all comes apart, goes back together without having to shut the house water down. So we've replaced the 116719 for the diverter only, and we did replace the balancing spool previously on another service call. Outside of that, this installation is done.